Hey everybody, Terry Cobain with Conveyor and Caster coming to you from a standard run-of-the-mill shelving aisle. Great way to organize small parts, but it's got its limitations. It takes up a lot of space, things get lost, employees pull the wrong thing, maybe they take stuff home with them. So it has its problems. What if I told you there was a solution that was minimize your floor space and take all the guesswork and organization out of it? Check this out. Welcome to Conveyor and Caster's vertical lift module. This unit can be stored with all of your parts, all of your high expense or very important parts, and instead of having to restock shelves and rely on people to pull the right thing, your employee just comes up, enters their recipe of whatever they need, and it presents them exactly what they need. It even will show them where to choose it from, and a laser can even show them where it is. And that's not even the start of it. This structure right here can remove aisles and aisles of shelving and maximize valuable floor space. If you have any interest in this technology whatsoever, this is right here in Westlake, Ohio. Come take a visit and we can talk about it.